Hello, in this video I want to show you how to disable parental controls in Fortnite. And to do this, there's actually two different methods that I'm going to show in this video. First one is through the game, so we need to click on the three lines in the top left corner of our screen, then select the gear icon right here and go for parental controls, enter the PIN code, and keep in mind that you can click on forgot PIN if you forgot it in a case, so you can always do that. When you enter the PIN correctly, you'll be able to disable parental controls, and by clicking on confirm, it will reset all of the settings to least restrictive available options. That's the first method, and the next one will be through Epic Games Launcher. So that's where you get the game from. And here we need to click on our profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and go for the account. It will open the web browser, and here we can adjust our parental control settings. So there's parental controls. We also need to enter our PIN code, and in case you don't know it, again you can click on forgot your PIN. And the next thing here is to go for the Epic Game Store PG, and we can go for unrated. That means it will basically disable entire parental controls, and also switch off always require PIN for purchases, require PIN to add Epic friends, also make sure that it's turned off, Epic voice chat permissions everybody, Epic text chat permissions everybody, and major language, which we can enable or disable. If you want to restore the most less restrictive settings, simply turn it off. And here playtime track report, you can also turn it off. And sadly there's no other way to actually remove the parental controls. Probably you would need to contact the Epic Games support to get you rid of this PIN code. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.